Hey folks, this video is about a TV series came out FX 2016 called The People versus O.J. Simpson. I pretty know O.J. from the Naked movies and the Hertz commercials back in the 80s and early 90s. And of course the trail thing happened later on. The funny facts about O.J. is he was supposed to play the Terminator in the Terminator movies, and the director thought he was too much a nice guy to play something that evil. My honest opinion, I think he's guilty. That's my opinion. Um, so it's based on the Jeffrey Toobin book, the run of his life of People versus O.J. Simpson. I forgot what year it came out. This is a couple years after the riots, LA riots, when the whole thing trial happened. Basically, what happened was somebody killed his ex-wife Nicole Brown and Ron Goodman. Goodman was the wrong place, wrong time. He was just returning some glasses she left at the restaurant that he worked at. Who knows what kind of French? Maybe they had some kind of relationship. Who knows? Not my business. The thing about OJ is the time he served in jail, he served all the time he got beat up his wife up and never served a day in jail. Also, I think Sarah Pullman did a great job playing Marsha Clark. Marsha Clark, you see other interviews about her later on, she seems to be a really fun person to hang out, somebody you have fun drinking with, my opinion. So Goody Jr. Played OJ. I mostly know him, he did some great movies and then some terrible movies. Of course, David Sherman, you know him as, Band Brothers, the first one. Of course, John DeVoe has been a lot of great movies and a lot of bad movies himself. It was a decent series, I guess. I mean, it was a pretty decent series. Everybody knows him. Of course, everybody knows OJ. His football career, he played NFL from 1969 to 1974 with Buffalo Bills and San Francisco Giants. I kind of jumped the thing a little bit. It was an okay series. 18 episodes. Hospital. Gotta keep yourself busy because the nurses will keep waking up every 4 hours and test your stuff. Also, everybody knew him as the Juice. That was his nickname. It was a great series. My opinion about the whole thing is I think it shouldn't took place in L.A. The whole jury thing is just right a couple years after the LA riots, and they shouldn't have cameras in the thing. And also his defense did a great job. OJ's defense did a great job trying to change the subject. Looking at the cops, saying they're trying get him. But he had a great appeal with the cops. He used to have parties with the cops. He hated to let the cops all the time see him his wife let it slide. So I think it was pretty nonsense. They're just trying to look for some kind of loophole or something. Or, of course, in the series they talk about they're going to criticize everything that the defense has. But once again, I think he's guilty. Of course, that one part near the end, spoiler, he was found innocent. But the thing was, he badly found the real murders, but nothing ever came with that. He did serve in jail couple 10 years later due to armed robbery, trying to get his souvenir stuff. But the only thing that would take me off the whole series the whole trial thing, it brought to my cartoons, man. It brought to my Batman animated series. It brought to my X-Men on Fox, because this is really big. People at jobs knowing how TV will play this while they're working, while they're working, watch the whole thing. That was a big thing. Offices. My boss, when I used to work at Melrose Sector in Half and Bay, used to tell me he used to have the TV watching it at work. There's only a few times he had TV at his job. So So, what are your opinions? What you thought about the whole thing? You know what I mean? What do you think? It just went totally chaotic and crazy. But but it's a good series to watch. Cuba did a decent job, but he was nice. I mean, the problem was OJ just played a nice guy in public. He had an image thing, and then he played a different role, I guess, you know, at his house. And the cops liked. I heard like when he was in jail, the cops liked him. So I don't know what they say about it. So that's the end of the video. Let me know what you think. Maybe someday I'll do a better job doing this. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe and buy our merch. Thank you. Bye.